Well, yes, first up, let's talk about PG Electroplast. The stock ended the day nearly 9% higher. It in fact hit all-time high on an intraday basis today, and this was on the back of their fundraising plans. So the QIP has opened and the company intends to raise about 500 crores, the floor price of which has been fixed at 1641 rupees per share, much below the current market price. So on the back of these fundraising plans, the stock was gaining in trade today. Apart from this, Gensol Engineering, this one was gaining nearly 5% by the end of the day on the back of an order win that came through. The company said that they've won a solar EPC project orders in Dubai worth about 101 crores. So on the back of these order wins that came through, this counter was also gaining in trade today. Let's also talk about Som Distilleries. It was off the highest point of the day by the end of today's trading session, but despite the day managed to end the day with gains of nearly 2 to 3 odd percent. So the company is expanding their footprint, and the company said that beer brands have received permissions for supply in the state of Chhattisgarh. So yes, this has been a wealth creator on a year-to-date basis. It has risen a whole lot. Today on the back of these expansion plans that came through, this counter was gaining in trade today. Let's also talk about SJVN. The stock was gaining nearly 2% and it hit all-time high on an intraday basis. The company's subsidiary has received letter of award from Assam Power Development for 3 solar power projects, and tentative cost of construction stands at about 1,900 crores. Order win was why this counter was also gaining in trade today. Lastly, let's talk about Indian Bank, down nearly 1.5%, and this was on the back of a brokerage note where Investec downgraded the stock to hold from their earlier buy rating, although they've gone ahead and hiked the target price a little bit. Investec says that NIMs are approaching all-time high levels and that they are not sustainable. They could decline from here on. And the report also says that they believe valuations fully reflect the best case scenarios. So on the back of this negative downgrade report that came in from Investec, Indian Bank was declining in trade today.